Okay, we have with us Richard McFeely from KIT Digital. Richard, could you share with us what traditional broadcasters today are going through? Some of the challenges of moving to online platforms and some of the new media platforms.
Absolutely. Well, what KIT is doing and helping the traditional broadcasters do is move into the new world where they can take their existing content, they can continue their traditional playouts, but they can add playout to other devices, for example mobile phones to iPads. I mean, the number of people watching video now on iPads and tablets in general is absolutely massive, and that's a huge market. We're also able to help in that space to do new types of advertising, which is clearly very important. So for example, when you're online, you can play different ads to me as opposed to you in exactly the same program. You can also geolocate those. So for example, if you're advertising a pizza takeaway place, you need to make sure that it's actually relevant to that person and not hundreds of miles away, etc., etc. So there are lots of clever things that broadcasters can now do, so they can keep their traditional technology and start experimenting in the new space as well, because obviously there's some big competitive challenges for broadcasters with telcos and other types of organisations trying to get everybody's time. So we're here to try and help those traditional broadcasters get into that space, help them to get involved with all of the new devices and things like social technology as well, because clearly that's very important.
Right.
Lots of people looking at Facebook, Twitter, and getting involved with video that way.
You mentioned that you work very closely with network operators, and you mentioned the example of Vodafone. What do you do with them?
So for Vodafone, we have built and we manage their online video store. So if you have a mobile device, you're actually able to go onto their store and choose to download and watch a Hollywood movie, and that is credited to your normal mobile phone bill. So what we've actually done is provide some standard technology, but we've integrated it with their CRM system and their billing system so that it's completely seamless as a user from your mobile phone. You can choose and see like a trailer for free, but then you choose the content, or you pay for the content, but that's all handled and ends up on your normal mobile phone bill.
And is this something that you're exploring in the Middle East as well?
We are speaking to a number of network operators in the Middle East to try and reproduce that, which I think would be hugely beneficial for us, them and their consumers.
All right, thank you.